All right, you guys ready to sing our alphabet song? All right, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, Miss Cochran likes to be tricky, so I want you to close those eyes. And I am going to put a letter. I'm going to hide a letter, and I want you to tell me what letter it is. Use that brain power you have. Are you ready? Close them. Open them. What letter is hidden right now under that oval? We can start at the top and we can say A, B. You did it. It is the letter B. There's the letter B. It comes after A and before the letter C. There's that letter B. Good work. All right, time for rhyming. I'll say 2 words that rhyme, and I want you to say them also after I do. Dog, hog. Your turn. Dog, hog. You, too. Your turn. You, too. Make, take. Your turn. Make, take. Chip, sip. Your turn. Chip, sip. And dress, mess. Your turn. Dress, mess. Good work. This time we're going to slide the word and then we're going to come back to the beginning sound we hear in the word. I'll do it, then I want you to do it. Bird, B. Your turn. Bird, B. It had that B sound like B. Good job. Nice, N. Your turn. Nice, N. Dog, D. Your turn. Dog, D. Here. Your turn. Here. Top. T. Your turn. Top. T. Good work. This time we're going to be blending syllables and we're going to use our chompers. You ready to get your chompers out? We're going to chomp our syllables. Are you ready to do that with me? Okay. And then we're going to slide across for the whole word. We're going to first chomp them. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Your turn. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Hammer, hammer. Your turn. Hammer, hammer. Basket, basket. Your turn. Basket, basket. Absent, absent. Your turn. Absent, absent. And baby, baby. Your turn. Baby, baby. Good work. Give yourself a squeeze. This time we're going to slide across for the whole word and then punch up that last sound we hear in the word. Remember, it is the last sound. Yes. S. Can you say yes? Yes. S. Awesome. Good. D. Your turn. Good. D. Age. J. Your turn. Age. J. Own. N. Your turn. Own. N. Let's do live. Live. V. Your turn. Live. V. Good work. Okay, this time we're going to segment syllables with our chompers. Okay, well, I'll say a word. We're going to say the whole word and then chop it up. Are you ready to get those chompers busy? Let's find those syllables. Okay, basket, basket. Your turn. Basket, basket. Good work. Picnic, picnic. Your turn. Picnic, picnic. Carpet, carpet. Your turn. carpet, carpet. This time it's elbow, elbow, elbow. Your turn. Elbow, elbow. All right, last one. Until, until. Your turn. Until, until. Good work. All right, this time I'm going to say the first part of the word, and then I'm going to add a syllable to the end, and then we're going to clap it. Okay, listen, watch me, then I want you to do it. Meet, add ing, meeting. You try it. Meet, add ing, meeting. Good work. Think, add ing, thinking. Your turn. Think, add ing, thinking. Okay. Dust, ing, dusting. Your turn. Dust, ing, dusting. Cry, ing, crying. Cry, ing, crying. Jump, ing, jumping. Your turn. Jump, ing, jumping. Okay, this time we're going to delete a syllable from a word, and I want you to tell me what is left, okay? Listen carefully. Let's see if I can get you, if I can trick you. Okay. Picking, picking. I have picking. If I take away the ing, what is left? Pick. Good job. Okay. Fishing, fishing. If I take away the ing, what is left? Fish. Good. Okay. I have kicking, kicking. If I take away the ing, what is left? Kick. Good job. It is the word kick. Okay. I have planting. If I take away the ing, what is left? Plant. Good work, guys. One last one. Melting. I have the word melting. I'm taking away ing. What is left? Melt. Give yourself a hug. Let's do our poem. All right, let's see if you guys remember this poem. It is called Little Miss Muffet. Did you just see my mouth? It went for M. Miss and Muffet begin with the same sound. Right. Let's do it. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey, when along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Wow, what a great poem. She scared Miss Muffet, and she got frightened away. Miss and Muffet have the same beginning sound also. Miss Muffet. And I highlighted these words, Muffet and Tuffet. What are those? Rhyming. Good work today. I'll see y'all tomorrow.